We're at the GW. Color is blue.
Hey,
Hey,
guess what I did today?
what?
I made, my goal was 20 donations, I made 22.
You say that again?
My goal is to make 20 donations. Round up donations. And
Oh,
I made 22.
wow.
I cannot say goal too.
It's pretty good.
But yeah.
What's the donation go to?
Homeless vets.
Where?
Homeless vets.
Nice. Okay, that's a good cause. So figured I'd pop in today and see what's for sale. That I can. What's that? Anything good?
I leave in a few minutes.
Oh, I should have came earlier.
And then I have to go to the doctor's.
Darn. Well.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you? Well, see what we have today.
Oh, I put out so much stuff already.
Well, we're gonna go see what we can find.
How much, okay? I know it.
Blue, the color is blue. It's pretty beat up. Pretty used, I should say. Very used. Well, let's go look at hard goods. Go look at some hard goods. Oh, is this rack been here? Let's take a peek. I think I've looked at this. I did like it. Oh, of course it fell off the hanger. It's a pretty sweater. Let's see if I can. It's a very pretty sweater. I wait till Thursday. I've seen all these. All right, let's go. Okay, let's go look at the hard goods. Pretty belt. What does that say? I was looking at this. It is Disney. Huh. I'll have to look it up. Let's look it up. It's an interesting. I would use that as a bud vase. All right, nothing over here I need. These are cute. Are they Libby? I can't tell. These are cute. What are these? These are cool. These right here. Look how funky they are. Those are definitely worth a look up. Put those in the cart. In the cart you go. These are pretty. This one is cut glass. For sure. Very this one not. Set up to mainstay. It's heavy. Look at those glasses on. A yarn bowl. That's cool. The price. We'll find out what that price is. I want to see what that said. Blue something. Looks like a dish pattern. I think that's a Zach. This is glass and should probably be over here. Pretty heavy, all right. Can't see this stuff on the top shelf. Nice simple. Not sure what that's at. Something stars. Oh, look how pretty these are. Like lavender. I think they're coming off. It's coming off. You can see the bottom, especially against a white background. It's a shame. Those are really nice. Oh well. Why are they putting this stuff way up high? They're pretty, but no marking. What is this? It's a really cute bud vase. Maybe I'll check it out. It's pretty. $1.29. Okay, here's a little wooden camel. Wooden bobbins. What's that? Really pretty. Stones. You're darn tootin'. Huh? It's an old ashtray. These are all taped up. Makes it very difficult. They're very different. I think they're more modern. A plate of sharing. This is interesting. I've never seen something like that. I'm gonna check it out. What's this? It's too bad it's broken. That beaded work. Look at them all. Santas. Happy Easter. They're all upside down. Wow. Cardinals and fall. Look at beadwork. These are upside down, I know. Interesting. Those are pretty cool. A lot of work. That I know.